My calendar got 23% more efficient when I stopped letting other people put things on it. Today, I want to walk through the operational change I made about 6 months ago that gave me back a full day per week of focused work. This is not a productivity hack video. This is a structural decision about how a small business owner should defend their time when AI is making everything else faster. Most operators have the same problem. Their calendar is a battlefield where everyone else's priorities win. A prospect requests a discovery call. A vendor wants to demo something. A friend wants to grab coffee. A team member needs 30 minutes to walk through a project. Each request feels small. Saying yes to each one feels reasonable. But by Friday afternoon, you look at the week and realize you spent 32 hours in meetings and 8 hours doing actual work. I'm Craig Frazier. I run Apex AI. I employ a multi-agent AI stack to handle most of the operational work that used to fill my calendar. But the calendar problem is not solved by AI alone. AI handles the work after you decide it's worth doing. It does not protect you from saying yes to work that should never have been booked in the first place. The change I made is simple, but psychologically hard. I stopped offering open calendar slots to anyone who wasn't already a customer or a confirmed serious prospect. Discovery calls only happen after the prospect has interacted with my self-service demo at one of my landing pages. Vendor calls only happen if I'm actively evaluating a tool that fits my stack. Coffee with friends is scheduled on Saturday mornings, not Tuesday afternoons. The mechanism I use is straightforward. My booking link does not lead to my real calendar. It leads to a qualifying form that captures the request, asks about budget, asks about timing, asks about what specific service the prospect is interested in. Real prospects fill it out. Tire kickers click away. The form filters maybe 60% of inbound requests automatically. For the requests that pass the form filter, my AI receptionist follows up by phone within 5 minutes. The receptionist confirms the prospect is qualified, books them into a real calendar slot if they pass, sends a polite text otherwise. By the time something hits my actual calendar, 3 different filters have qualified it. The result is a calendar where every meeting matters. Every block on my schedule represents a person who has already invested time and intent. I show up to those meetings prepared and energized because the meeting will move something forward. Now here's the part most operators get wrong. They think this approach is cold or off-putting. They worry it'll cost them deals. The opposite is true. Premium positioning attracts premium clients. Friction filters out people who weren't going to convert anyway. Your time is more valuable when it's harder to get. If you're reading this and your calendar is currently a public document anyone can drop something onto, change it this week. Build the qualifying form. Hide your real calendar behind it. Watch what happens to your conversion rate, your work output, and your sanity. If you want to see how I built this filter using AI tools any operator can deploy, drop a comment with the word filter, and I'll point you to the specific tutorial. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Link to atss.pro in the description for the services my company delivers using this same calendar discipline. See you next week.